Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to program brand new TPMS sensors to any vehicle. So TPMS stands for Tire Pressure Monitor System, and these sensors often fail in newer vehicles and have to be replaced. And in this video I will show you what tire shop usually does and why they charge you more money when installing these sensors. Now each of these sensors comes actually completely blank, and then you have to program it prior to installing in the wheel. And once it is installed, then the vehicle computer PCM can pick it up. If there is no this programming done, then the vehicle computer will not be able to recognize the sensor and you'll get the light and the faulty message. So in my case, I'm installing a sensor to 2019 GMC Terrain. One of the sensors failed. This is the brand new one still in the bag. So I will first program it and I will show you how to do it. And to do that you will need the TPMS scan tool, a bit higher end. Now I have a one from Napa. So what I will do here, I will select program sensor. And then I will select the vehicle selection. So I have to select 2019 GMC Terrain. So GMC Terrain 2018 to 2023, these are all the same. And now once I do that, I have to select the sensor type. Now it's very important to use the brand of the sensors, that it's very important that your scanner actually supports the brand of sensors you are using. So these ones are Sensit RS Plus, Alligator Sensit. I should say somewhere here, yeah, Alligator TPMS. And now here is the Alligator Sensit. I'm pretty sure this is the one. I will select that. Use Alligator Sensit or Sensit 1. RS, okay, mine is RS Plus and this is the RS Plus. So I will place it just here in front of this this part of the scanner, and I will press OK, next. And then I have the option create new sensor, copy ID, copy set of sensors. Now I want to create a new sensor. And then I will press start. Actually, this is the start, yeah. And now this will take up to 1 minute, I'm pretty sure. Sometimes it's quicker, sometimes it's a bit slower. Okay, first it has to recognize the sensor. Okay, and that's it. Now this sensor has a specific ID, and based on that ID, the vehicle is supposed to recognize it, and that should be good to go. Now once this is done, actually you cannot erase this information from the sensor anymore. So if you missed like the make or model of the vehicle or things like that, that will be quite a big problem. You will not be able to use this sensor on your specific vehicle. So that's something also to know. Okay, that's pretty much everything. I just wanted to record this video to show you guys how this is actually done and what the tire shop usually does when installing new TPMS sensors. And this really takes like a minute or two per sensor. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.